On the 8th of December, 2023, in Pulaski County, Arkansas, authorities released new information regarding a rapidly unfolding police response earlier that morning. At approximately 7:45 a.m., deputies were alerted to a suspicious vehicle reportedly linked to an ongoing investigation in the area. The situation prompted an immediate coordinated response from multiple agencies, with units dispatched to secure the roadway and ensure public safety. Officers emphasized that the priority throughout the incident was maintaining control of the scene while gathering accurate details about the vehicle and its occupants. No threats to nearby residents were confirmed at the time, and authorities continued to monitor developments closely as the morning progressed.
Like this. Got anything on you, man? No. Stop running. He's running towards 114 at Regalia. White t-shirt. Red shorts.
You still need southern cars. Fire 12. We're head up there.
Copy, 546.
He's running north on 113 from Regalia. Headed towards Kinsman.
What's on that?
546.
Taking Chester Street to a Union Sam Adam Nora, Spring High Lumber, USA and FIR. It's a Great Charger.
931.
Six, 1037, 40 east, passing Morgan, speeds.
Copy, please move that right tire.
TVI 5. Marshall. TVI.
714, copy TVI 939.
Come out the window! Hands up, out the window! Out the window! I'll back up.
Southbound on Edgewood, southbound on Edgewood. I may be hit. Stand by. We'll be going westbound on Berry, south on Hatcher. South on Hatcher. South on Hatcher still. Stand by.
See your hands?
All right, take your time. Take your time. Lay down on your stomach. Lay down on your stomach. Lay down on your stomach.
Lay down flat.
I'm ready, Bobby. You ready? I'm ready.
Okay, come on, yeah. All right, go. Put that other in there. Fingers coming up. Back here. There you go. Yep. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I'm Officer McCampbell with the police department. The reason I stopped you not wearing your seatbelt, okay?
Man.
Hey, man. Stop. Stop.
Hey, about a seatbelt, bro. I'm moving, my family homeless. I'm trying to go to fucking work at 6. You gonna stop me for a fucking seatbelt?
Yes, sir.
Man. Get Sergeant Folks on the phone now.
Do you have your driver's
Get
license?
folks on the phone now.
You don't have a Sergeant Folks.
Oh, yes, you do.
Are you saying Kirk Folks or Folks?
Yes, you do.
Okay, sir, this is...
Hey, we're gonna see after all these motherfuckers. You let all these motherfuckers. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
cuffed. We're cuffed.
Hey, get on the ground! Right now! Get the fuck on the ground! I don't care! Get on the ground! You see what you just caused?
That wasn't me, sir. I'm sorry, sir. That wasn't me, sir.
Anybody see anybody leave the car? Huh? Emery, the driver went to the gas station. Go to the gas station. Black male? Boy, you got cuffs? Put cuffs on him. Turn the fuck around, get on the ground. Turn around, get on the ground.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was girlfriend was driving? Yes, sir. That's her? Yes, sir. So who's the other two, Randy? That's my brother. She's saying she's still driving. Yes, sir.
It doesn't matter what you tell them to say. We have witnesses for a reason.
No, I was
Troy, can you put him in the back of your car? Stand up. Stand up.
I tore my ACL, boss.
Yeah, well, you should have run from the cops. You're in the car for a second.
I'm hurt, bro. Can I go to the hospital, please?
Huh? That's fine. Let's go. Now, throw him right here.
I'm hurt, boss, please.
Well, that's what happens when you run from the cops, man.
Sir, that wasn't me, sir. That was the guy who ran, sir.
Hey, bud.
Got a flat tire, you can help me?
What are you needing?
Just a tire. I need a ride to the store, you get me there.
Okay, I can get you back to town real quick, but nobody's open tonight.
Well, that's fine, I'll get town. I just haven't come back to get the car.
Okay, go ahead and go to the front of my car real quick. I'll meet you up there real quick. I'll get...
Give me the radio. Stand by for pay.
Okay.
Hit unsuccessful coming up to Old Grant Road. See your hands. Get out the car. Get out the car, get on the ground. Get up. Dumbass. They're coming up past the 9 mark. They're coming up past the 9 mark. He's trying to pop the clutch. Or he's trying to pop the clutch. And we are still northbound, coming up on traffic. Still northbound, left lane, coming up on traffic. Passing the emergency lane, stop. Got him stop. Get out the bike! Get out the bike! Give me a second, Trey. Okay. Please call Will. All right, listen to man. You'll get based on the rest today, okay? Okay. You call Will. Okay. I'll call Will later on. I'm going to move your hand, okay? Yeah. Thank you. Yes, sir. And I swear to God. Yes, sir. I know Will, Bill, everybody. Oh, yeah? I wouldn't do it. Gerald, I would not do that. Had anything to drink today? No, sir. Okay. I'm going to read something to you.
Authorities later stated that the situation was resolved without any risk to the surrounding community. All relevant evidence was transferred to investigators for review, and officials confirmed that additional updates will be provided once the case file is fully evaluated. Local agencies also reminded the public to stay aware of official alerts and to report any unusual activity through proper channels. This concludes the preliminary information released by law enforcement on the 8th of December 2023, as the investigation continues.